Right then, well, things have started and it seems like we might have some progress. Let me just take you through a couple of things. Just review the Gakumu Portal here. You've got to log in there, of course, and you should be really at the stage where you're going to the Jigyoshien, the lesson support, going in there, choose a class. I'm going to choose this class here. And you should have been able to look at the student lists and hopefully write on the notice board some kind of message. I'm recommending that you link a message there to WebClass, which has somewhat more robust functions. But anyway, let's look at the list of students. Rishusha Meibo. Okay, just going to click on that. And you see this is the alternative Japanese name. All these students are 3rd and 4th years. Doesn't really bother you, of course. This is a smaller list. I'm going to work with that. You can click on this here, this CSV. CSV apparently stands for comma separated values or something, I think. Anyway, whatever it stands for, it gives you a kind of Excel file which you can use. So you can click on that and then you can kind of download it, right? I mean, it's there and you can put it on your desktop to use later. Okay, I've actually got one that I've already set up. Here it is. Because I don't want you waiting around for me to open an Excel file. So that's what it looks like. Right, it's just an Excel file. I expect you can fiddle with that if you want. I'm now going to forget about Gakumu Portal site for a bit. As I said, if you want to go in to, it's probably a good idea to put a notice up there. Make sure that the students have got some idea what's going on. Perhaps direct them to WebClass. Okay, let's just forget that for the moment and close that. And let me go to WebClass now. Okay, let me go to basic course list, and I'm going to go to exactly the same class I just looked at earlier, but now it's in WebClass. This is it, and you'll see that if you go into member, you'll have pretty much the same kind of list, right? Now I've got more students there, right? that I've just downloaded. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose to put the downloaded list of students from Gakumu Portal into this list. Now what you can do here, this is the function. You can put all the members of a file in at once. But if you look here, right, Genzai no member list or download. What did you get in English? Let me just get the English here. Does it help? Okay, let's have a look. User management. Okay, there we go. Okay, download current members list. Okay, now you can download that. It'll give you a download there. And again, I've done this one earlier. Save you time with me opening my very slow thing, and you get a list that looks like this is a kind of an example, right? An example of the list that you'd want. So what you would do, in fact, as I've done here already, you kind of copy and paste, right, those numbers into here, right? So it comes out there, and then make sure that they're all the same here, that they cover all of them, right? That you give them all permissions as users, right? So I think they give about only give about 4 of these, so you have to kind of extend that, make sure that all of the course permissions, right, Here's the ID, course ID, the student numbers, and the course permissions are all entered as user, right? So make sure you can do copy and paste to make sure you cover all of them, right? So then you have a file like that, right? I'll just put an extra student in just to make it. I have no idea who this student is, but I'm assuming there is a student with this number, 817. Let's make it 4, right? And user, just do this as an experiment. Okay. I don't even know, I have no idea who that student is, 174, right? But if I look at this here, you'll see there's my list. There's no 174, right? It's kind of a little magic trick I'm going to do here now. So we're going to save that, do that, close it, just save it again, do the whole thing. I just keep saying yes. All right, and then you go up here and you do the batch registration. Right, remember, 174 is the one I'm interested in here. Right, choose a file. Okay, this is the member one we just worked with, of course. Choose that and add to the course list. So go and look. There's this student, unsuspecting student, who has found herself in my course for no particular reason. I'm going to remove that. You can remove it, of course, no problem. And there you go. But anyway, basically that shows you how you can take the list of names from the Gakumu Portal and put them onto website and onto WebClass. Isn't technology wonderful? Okay, I hope that helps. That's it.